Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the focus is on a truly essential, yet often overlooked, accessory for anyone still relying on a landline phone, the 5-pack phone cord landline. Specifically, these are the 8-foot uncoiled, 1.4-foot coiled handset cables, featuring the RJ9 4P4C connector, all in a sleek black finish. One might wonder why a multi-pack of phone cords is worth discussing, but the utility here is immense. For starters, landline phones, especially in busy households or office environments, often suffer from worn-out or tangled handset cords. The constant stretching, twisting, and general wear and tear can lead to crackling audio, intermittent connections, or even complete failure. This 5-pack offers an immediate solution to those common frustrations. It provides not just one, but 5 high-quality replacements, ensuring that multiple phones in a home or office can be refreshed, or that spares are readily available for future needs. The design of these cables is particularly thoughtful. With an 8-foot uncoiled length, they offer ample reach, allowing for comfortable movement while on a call without feeling tethered to the phone base. Yet when coiled, they neatly retract to a compact 1.4 feet, preventing unsightly tangles and keeping the workspace tidy. This balance between extended reach and compact storage is a significant advantage, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Compatibility is key, and these cords are designed with the standard RJ9 4P4C connector. This ensures a perfect fit between the phone handset and the base unit for most standard landline telephones. Users can rest assured that these cables are built to provide a clear, reliable connection, restoring the crisp audio quality that might have been lost with an aging or damaged original cord. The black color is a classic choice, blending seamlessly with most phone models and interior decors, maintaining a professional and understated look. Consider the scenario where a home office relies heavily on a landline. A single faulty cord can disrupt important calls. Having a pack of 5 means immediate resolution to such issues, minimizing downtime and maintaining productivity. Similarly, for larger homes with multiple landline extensions, this pack allows for a consistent upgrade across all units, ensuring everyone benefits from improved call quality and reliable connections. It's a practical investment that addresses a common household or business need with a simple, effective solution. The durability of such an accessory is paramount, and these cords are designed to withstand the daily rigors of use, offering a long-lasting replacement for original equipment that may have seen better days. This product truly stands out as a sensible and convenient option for maintaining optimal landline phone performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.